So you're somebody who wants to work on the core because you've either got a weak core because you can't do a plank for many seconds, or that if you do a couple sit-ups you really feel that burn. You might just want to tone this area. If so, make sure you carry on watching. If you want to learn how to lose weight, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a video, because that's going to be beneficial for you if you want to lose weight.
To make this core really sore in 15 minutes, I want you to do each exercise for 30 seconds without any rest. And then once you've done that, rest for 30 seconds after each round. Repeat 4 times. Okay, so the first exercise is single leg raises. What you're going to do is lie on the floor with your hands just beneath where your bum is. And then from there, you're going to make sure that you're sucking your abs, keeping your back nice and flat to the floor, raising your legs with a slight bend of the knees, a couple of inches off the floor. Moving on to the second exercise, and that is reverse easy crunches. So same as before, you're going to make sure that you're lying flat on the floor with your hands just underneath your bum. You're going to kick your legs out in front of you, a couple of inches off the ground, and then bring your knees in towards your belly. From there, lifting your feet up towards the ceiling, lifting your hips off the ground, making sure you're tensing your abs, keeping your knees together and your feet together at the same time. Okay, twisted mountain climbers. This is really great to work those obliques, other known as love handles. So what we're going to do is be in the press up plank position, hands underneath your shoulders, and from there you're going to bring your knee across your body, trying to get it towards the opposite elbow, twisting your core and twisting the hips. Then we're going to move straight onto Russian twists, again working those obliques and all around the core. So easier option is feet together, heels on the ground, slight bend in the knees and twisting your body from one side to the other. Whereas the harder version is lifting your feet off the ground. Same again, keeping those hands nice and close and twisting them across your waist, turning your full body and shoulders from one side to the other. And not to forget, sitting in a 45-degree angle. Fifth exercise in, and we have now got double leg raises. What I'm pointing to there is a common issue people have, and that's arching the back, which we don't want to do. So make sure when we do this, we're really sucking in those abs, keeping the back nice and flat to the floor. To do this, hands underneath your bum, feet together, knees together, raising your feet above your hips and then lowering them a couple of inches off the ground, making sure that you're tensing your abs at all times. Sixth and final exercise, and this one is an absolute killer, and these are knee raised sit-ups. You're going to lie flat on the floor with your knees above your waist and feet together. And then from there, your elbows are going to start from the floor position with your hands on the side of your head, and you're going to crunch in, tensing the abdominals, bringing your knees in towards your thighs, making sure that you're not moving your legs at all.
So hopefully you enjoyed that video and you're feeling it on the core, because I certainly was. Let me know which was the toughest exercise. Make sure you comment below which one that was. And also, if you've got any ideas of workouts you want to see, let me know in the comments box as well, and I'll reply and hopefully get more videos up for you guys. Also, if you're wanting to burn a lot of calories in a short amount of time, so into 15 to 20 minutes time, make sure you check this video out now. Okay, that's a cardio workout. And make sure you click on that, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the notification bar so you get notified every time I upload a video. Cheers guys.